Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Anasha, so hi, welcome, welcome, welcome back, welcome. So guys, it's raining, and I feel like every time I have a hair review to do, it's raining. It's been raining for the past hour. Like I did this video, didn't like it because of the rain, so now I'm doing it over, and the rain just literally just it keep bear with me. But anyway, in today's video, we'll be reviewing this headband wig. Guys, I love this hair. I love, like, love. Let me turn it on for you guys. Ooh, look at the link. Ooh. But guys, I love this hair. So let's get into the details of the hair. Let's get into the details. All right. So let me switch to the side so I can put the picture here. Yeah, but this here is from Pine, and it's the headband wig, human hair curly headband wig. So black woman, 150% density, Brazilian version, wet and wavy, human head wig, natural color, 16-inch, and it was 50 US. So for the price, guys, for this hair, for this price, I love it. I love it, and I think it is worth it. It's worth it. So guys, let's get into the goodies and stuff, and then we go into the installation. All right, so before we get into the whole installation process, let's see what the bag comes with. So I'll put it right in the side here. Yeah, so it comes in this pink bag, beautiful pink bag, and the bag comes with a wig cap. But I didn't use that one because I have some from before, so I just used the one I had. Then it came with 2 headbands. Yep. And then the wig. Guys, look at this wig. Look at this. I'm like, oh, I'm speechless. The wig is beautiful. So I washed the wig, and by now it's dry because I washed it like 2 days ago, so it's a little puffy. But don't worry, I got the mousse and the water to bring it back to life. So let's get into this installation. So the wig comes with this headband, of course, 2 clips to the front and 1 to the back. So let's get into it.
King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live with king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Don't live the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already, shine already, time already. Time is on my fist, my intimate job. Come and rest your head, take your crown off. Woke up in the phone, need to take it slow. Said I'm moving too fast, need to take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Trying to take my baby home. Take it slow.
Alright, so I came with 2 headbands, this leopard print and this kind of blue, and it have like green, pink, whatnot. So let's see.
Together, there's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. When I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blame it on my confidence. So blame it on your measurements.
Alright, so let's get into the pros and the cons. I'll start with the pros first. So pros, the length is it for me. Like this length, I love it. I love this length. The texture, guys, like I wish you all could see. Y'all seen this? I wish you all could feel how soft this feels. Like you could just pass your hands, glide your hands through this beauty. Yeah, like yeah guys, like the hair texture, the texture is amazing. What else? What else? I think this could go under pros. For pros, I wouldn't say it's much shedding. This is all the shedding I got. Let me see if I could, yeah, like, and that is just really just from combing it out, wetting it, putting in mousse and whatnot. So I won't say that I was bad at all. That was minimum shedding. It really was. And my only con is, let me show you guys. So I don't know if you guys could see it, but like where I put the comb underneath the thing, it's kind of like poking outward as opposed to the side where the comb is not there. So that's the only thing, but I mean you do have to use the combs on the bright side, so that is good. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Like, why not, you know, like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. So guys, if you watch this any day, I hope you have an amazing day. If you watch this any night, I hope you have an amazing night. Don't forget to be safe always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. You got